No need for multi-plugs to tow various vehicles. Made from heavy plastic for lightweight and durability. Features brass terminals for better electrical conductivity. Part number 74607. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing customer service. I am giving this a 5-star, solely due to the customer service and quick resolution. My unit came in looking brand new, plugged it into my 5.9 Jeep Grand Cherokee's factory tow unit, and plugged in a Jeep LED receiver brake light. Didn't work. Had someone push on my brakes and I had to pull the adapter out slightly, angle it upward to get my receiver light to illuminate. Tried for a few days and had to keep having to mess with it, so I just contacted the seller tonight. Right away they refunded me for the faulty unit. Awesome customer service. Don't be weary about purchasing from this seller, or a Reese product. It's inevitable that a mass-produced product will produce a faulty unit without solid connections, no big deal. I am just floored by how easy and painless they made my return. My new one functions flawlessly now.